Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to block or reports map emails in New Outlook. So let's start. Open your new Outlook and go to the inbox and select any mail. So I select here the Pinterest mail and go to the right hand side and click on this three dot more actions. And here the now select the reports. You can choose the report junk and report phishing depending on your emails. Okay. And after that, to block, you can block the your email address. Okay. So Outlook will move the emails to the junk and block the future message from that address. Okay. So when you click on the report junk, you can see here the one dialog box is open. Report junk. Report junks helps to improve the junk detection for you and others in the future. We will also block the senders so you can stop receiving the email from them. Okay, just click on the report and block. Okay, now to block the sender, again I open the one email. I just simply double click on it and open the email and go to the right hand side, click on the three dot more action and click on the block and click on the block Pinterest. And here the one dialog box is open, block Pinterest. This message will be deleted and all future message from recommendation at explore.pinterest.com will not come to your inbox. Okay, your mailbox. Okay, so this message will be deleted and future message also stop to come to your mailbox. Okay, and just click on OK and that's it. The message is deleted. If you want to undo, you can click on the undo the option. Okay, here you can see when you use the first option, report of junk, then mail is move in junk folder. So here you can see in junk email, I just click on it and you can see the Pinterest email here, the move. I just double click on it. You can see here showing the you mark this message as a junk. Okay, and the content also not showing here because I blocked this content with this junk email. Okay, to show the block content, you can just click on this option, and if you want to it's not junk, you can click on the it's not junk option. Okay, and the second scenario, when you block this email, the message is deleted. You can check it in deleted item. Okay, you can see the Pinterest email here, the deleted Pinterest email. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.